What are we going to do with him? Isn't it obvious? We're taking him apart and using him to fix Leander. And the sooner we do this, the better. Wait, what about Niclausse? What about Niclausse? Wouldn't he be mad if he found out he did this? Since when did you start caring about how Niclausse felt? Must I remind you that we're scrap engines, not mechanics? Now hurry up and get started. All right, if you say so. Whoa. Back up, back up, back up, back up! What do you think could have caused this?
Oh, please. That mere cave was unstable from the start. It was only a matter of time before it caved in on itself.
What are we going to do with the remaining stone anyway? Already filled out like 2 switching yards with this stuff, and our space is...
Help! There's an engine stuck in the mine!
I know what I saw. Frisco!
I know what to do.
Wait, what's that supposed to mean? Where are you going?
Just leave it to me.
What's that noise? Uh-oh!
Oops. Oh, it's you.
Frisco, what are you doing here?
There was an incident at the quarry.
Oh, an incident, you'd say.
Yes, the mine in the quarry caved in on itself. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you?
The entrance is blocked. You have to go forward. Look out, look out, look out! Nope, don't know anything about it.
Oh, well, in any case, we need a place to store debris from the wreckage. This yard seems to do the job just fine.
Oh, wait a minute. You can't just leave cars of stone here. This needs to be taken to the dump.
So take it to the dump then. I need to get back to the quarry.
But it's my day off. Alright, come on, you lot. Come on. Come on. Huh?
Oh, hello! Sorry, I didn't see you there. My name is Earl. I'm here to help around the goods yard.
Is that so?
Is there anything I can assist you with right now?
No thanks. I've got it covered.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. To the dump! Come on!
I'm sorry, I never caught your name.
It's Niclausse.
You know, that train does look quite heavy. Do you need help?
No, thank you. I've got it.
Are you sure you can handle this? 2 engines are sometimes better than 1, you know.
Just because I have 4 wheels does not mean I can't pull a simple train like this. Now for the last time, I've got it.
I was just trying to help.
Alright, if I stay on this line, I should be able to reach the junkyard in no...
Niclausse! Get out of my way!
Oh no! Whoa! 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 No! Whoa! Oh! Well, that was unexpected. Nevertheless, time to get moving again. What was that? The bridge is unstable. I need to get off of it. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. What? Earl, you saved me.
Yes, and just in time, too.
I guess two engines really are better than just one. Especially when they're pulling a heavy train of stone. Okay. Come on, let's take this to the dump. Hello? Fearless? Rogue?
Someone's here. I'll take care of it. Who's out here? Oh, it's just you. And who's the blue one?
Oh, yes. Rogue, this is Earl. He saved me from a broken bridge.
Oh, did he now? And what's with all of this stone?
Something happened over at the quarry. You know, the one where we found that engine.
Oh, yes. That quarry. How could I forget?
Speaking of, where did you and Fearless take the engine anyway? Huh? And what's going on in there?
Nothing to worry about. Just leave your cars of stone here and we'll take care of it.
All right. Huh? Was that?
Hey, what are you still doing here? You need to leave.
Wait, but I thought I saw.
I said leave! Now!
Well, they seem friendly. Vogue seemed a lot more tense than usual. Something fishy is going on in there, and I have a feeling they don't want me to know about it.
That was too close. Niclausse cannot find out what we're doing in here. We need to put this place under tight security and keep what we're doing at an all-time low. All of this so that we can get you running again.